Let's take a look at how we can use bulk create to create several different exit tickets just from a single prompt. I'm going to go to my projects where I've saved an exit ticket template. It's only got one place in here for me to change instead of duplicates of exit tickets on one page, making it easier to work with. And let me make this a bit bigger for you to see. So in the section where you type your question, I'm going to highlight that and I'm going to go to Magic Write. And I'm going to create a custom prompt, and I want to generate 5 exit tickets for 5th grade students studying states of matter. And Magic Write will generate these 5 exit tickets for me. I can adjust them, I can say to change, I can do anything I want to do, but for our instance, I'm just going to use this, and I've replaced the text that I had before now with what they generated. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of this text. I didn't quite catch the bottom. Let's make sure I get it all. Gonna highlight that and copy. The next thing I'm going to do is go into my apps over here on the bar, and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look for bulk create. That's the tool we're going to use. I want to enter data manually. I'm not importing it from somewhere else. And it starts out giving me some empty cells to put information in. But I want to clear that table and just put in that text that I had. So now I'm going to paste that into there. Click Done. And you'll see that this has continue here. But before I do that, I need to go to these 3 dots that are in the text box and say to connect data. So what that's going to do is connect what's in the text box with the data table that I just used. So now I can continue. You'll see I can select all. I've generated 5 designs, and it generates, and it says there's something created and saved to my folder. So if I click that link, I can go back in here and open up the last thing that I saw. Let me make that bigger, and you'll see here's an example, the first question, and of course I can adjust that text when I'm ready so that it fits. The next one is what happens to particles in water. The third question is describe how temperature affects a state of matter. What is the process called when gas turns into a liquid? And draw a diagram showing the water cycle and labeling changes. So all 5 of these are different. I can print these, share, use them however I normally would use a document that's in Canva, but it made all these 5 for me quickly and easily.